Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I am going to show you how to change the oil in a 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara XL7. So the tools you're going to need are a 17mm socket to remove the drain nut on the drain pan, and then you're going to need a tool to remove an oil filter. And you're going to need 6 quarts of 5W30. I'm going to use some Mobil 1, and then I'm using a K&N HP 2001 oil filter. So I'm going to go open the hood and we'll start. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I have the hood open. Sorry about the noise. We're here in northern Minnesota. And outside it's like 3 degrees, so I have to heat up the garage. Or I like to heat up the garage, I should say. So, we're going to come over here, and we're going to remove the oil cap. And then we're going to go straight down in front of us. And you will see the oil pan and the plug. It's a 17mm. We're going to remove that plug there and let the oil start draining, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like while it's draining. Alright, we're back. I've got it loosened up. Make sure you hold on to it so you don't drop it into the drain where you're going to store your oil. The bucket, that is no fun. So if you've just been driving around, do be careful. This will be really, really hot. So you do probably want to wait a while after you've been driving. So then you just let it out, move your hand real fast, and it'll start to drain. That's some black nasty oil. Ooh. So we're going to let that drain, and then we'll do the oil filter. Oil filter is on the driver's side. Let's see if I can get a look at it here from down here. I can't. So I'm going to let this drain, and I'm going to get out of underneath here. And then I'll come back and we'll move to the oil filter. Alright, I'm back. So we have the drain plug in. So next you go right over to the driver's side of the oil pan. And you'll look straight up and you'll see the oil filter. So next you're going to want to get that off. Make sure your drain pan's down here. I'm going to get that off, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I have it loosened up. You're going to want to make sure that you have your catch pan down here. And then you just loosen it up and take it off. Do watch out, it is going to be full of oil. So be ready to get messy. Alright, should almost be ready. There we go. There, we got our old oil filter out. So, next I'm going to use a paper towel, and I'm going to clean that all up, let it drain for a little bit. And then we'll put on the new oil filter and go from there. Alright, I am back. So, we have the new oil filter here. It's a K&N HP 2001. What you're going to want to do is put a little bit of oil around the rubber seal so that when you turn it, it doesn't get bound up. Then you're just going to slide it on up there. Which can be a little bit tricky. I'm back. So I have it up there and screwed in hand tight. One thing I really like about these K&N oil filters is they have a nut welded onto the end. This one is 25 millimeter, so I'm going to use that and tighten it up a little bit. And then I'll come back and we'll go up to the top of the hood and add in the 6 quarts of new oil. Alright, I'm back. So we have everything in, tightened up. So next you're going to add 6 quarts of oil right there. So I'm going to get that all added and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So we're adding in the last quart of oil. I added in 5. And then I started the vehicle so it could kind of run around in the engine. I checked the dipstick and it was low. So now I'm going to add in the last quart. And then I'm going to start up the engine and let it run for a little bit so everything can get all mixed up and moved around in there and in the oil filter. And then I'll check the dipstick and put it to right the exact spot where I want it. So this is how you change the oil in a Suzuki Grand Vitara XL7 2001. I hope it helped you out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out here on the homestead. See you guys later.